All right, KMR got a little rotary tip. So rotor housings, I mean, if you're building a rotary, you're always dealing with rotor housings. This is a used rotor housing, came out of a used running motor, going back in a motor that's being rebuilt. And when I'm cleaning them up, there's a lot of things to examine. Obviously, we're checking out the chrome, we're checking out the water seal area, spark plug area, and it's also crucial to check the oil pan area. And so it's a funny thing, and I see this not all the time, but quite often, but Mazda leaves these little casting elements. And these little casting elements are actually little shrapnels of metal. You definitely don't want that going through a motor. And this was a motor that had already ran, so obviously that didn't fall off. It was just hanging on there in the bottom of the oil pan gallery. And also, obviously, your oil pickup tube screen, if it's in good condition, should stop this. And it's metal, so it should fall down, not necessarily go up. But it's aluminum, it would not be magnetic. So it's just, I spent a lot of time looking at rotary engines, probably too much. And over the years and hundreds of motors and, things I see as I'm cleaning, I always check this bottom casting seam on all rotor housings for loose pieces of metal. Because I don't want that in a motor. I don't want that in the oil pan. I don't want that anywhere but in the trash can. I may even deburr some of this, but you don't have to go crazy. I'm not going to spend a bunch of time grinding or polishing. I just want to make sure that I remove any pieces of loose metal. All right, that's the tip of the day. That's a wrap.